Hey, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be using the new Charlotte Tilbury Starry Eyes to Hypnotize. I remember the name of that. And in this video, I'm going to play around with some other colors. So today, I've been playing around with the blues and I am going to do a video on that. But I think today I'm going to do these greens right here. So we are going to get right into the video. We're just going to get into it. I've already applied my eye base. I use Trish McAvoy's eye primer and I use the color Beer. All the details will be listed below with the brushes that I used in the video, the palette, which will be available, I believe, on October 3rd. I'm going to go in first. Actually, I'm going to do my eyes a little differently than I usually do. I'm going to go in with the BK Beauty number 203 brush. This is a flat brush here. I just want to make sure I clean off on my color switch. This just cleans your brush off. So it's like a little sponge that's in here. And I just like to clean my brush off even in between the colors. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to use this darkest color right there. I'm going to use that green color. And I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my lid. Okay, I thought that would be a little darker, so I may have to go to plan B. I don't know, well, maybe it'll be a little bit, okay, it's going on a little bit darker now. Okay, never mind. I was going to add a little bit of a dark color to that. I was like, ooh, disappointment with that color. But no, that's good. So usually I don't apply a color like this, but we're just doing it a little differently. I'm going to build it up a little bit more and apply it a little bit more. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to take my crease brush, and this is my BK Beauty number 202. By the way, she's out of stock with these brushes and I think they're going to be back in stock in November, but if you go to her site, BK Beauty, you will see, I'm sure it says on there, and you might even be able to get on a waiting list. It's funny when I shared these brushes, I'm like, I have other brushes that I love too, so I'm going to be using those too, but honestly, this is what I've been using like every day. I've been just using her brushes right now, so off camera, on camera, that's what I'm using. So this goes on really, really light, and I guess that's nice because if you just wanted a really sheer color, you would get that with this. What a pretty color. See, I don't have a color like this in my collection. I don't go and jump on every release. And there have been a lot of palettes of hers, like quad palettes that she released. I think she might have even like released another pan one recently. But I just wasn't, it was sort of colors I already had, I felt like. So I didn't jump on it. I only get stuff that I really want myself. I don't just get stuff to share on my channel. I get things that I'm really interested in. Okay, where'd you go? I just want to add a little bit more. I really want to build this base up here. Now I want to go in and I want to use that same crease brush, and I'm going to come on over to this right here, this brown color here. I wish there was a color just slightly lighter than this, but that's okay. I'm just putting this on the outer edge just so I can bring that shadow up a little bit more, add a little bit more dimension, and blend that color out. Kind of raising that up there. Do the same thing. I'm going to do the same thing with this eye. Going right up here. I am going to use this color right here. I think it might be too... No, let's go in with this one. I'm going to go in with this color right here. That shimmer. And I'm going to wipe off my brush really good. I could use my finger too. Let me see if it works. Yeah, let me just put a little bit on with my finger instead of my brush. I'm sorry, I'm using my middle finger. I'm just putting it on top of the lid that I just did. Do the same thing with this. So this is a really simple look, as you can see, because I didn't do anything on the outside corner of my eye like I normally do. I just want to blend this out a little bit more. So I just used 3 shadows. And I'm going to blend it up a little bit more on this side as well. So now I'm going to go in and I am going to use my BK brush number 204. This is a smudger brush. And I'm going to take that dark color right here. And we're going to put that right under, or right on my lash line. Okay, I'm going to take it again. We're going to do the other eye. And then I'm going to take it and we'll blend it. I don't like to bring it too far down. I'm going to go in and take that smudger brush again. I just want to make sure I wipe it off really good. And I am going to go in and take that color right there and put it right here. And I feel like I want to add just a tiny bit more color. So I'm going to take my MAC Fix Plus. I'm just going to spray my brush, the same brush that I used on my lid. And I'm just going to dip it into that same color that I used my finger to apply, but I'm just going to add a little bit more because I just want it to be a little bit more intense. You see the difference between that eye and that eye? Okay, so I am going to go ahead off camera. I'm going to apply my mascara, my eyeliner, my lips. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is my final look. I'm going to get close so you can see. So that is it. This is my final look. So really have been enjoying this. Like I said, I wore this last week as well. Love it. So I will do a look with that as well. But you can use the colors that are the way that they are, but you can play with them. And I usually like to just kind of do my own thing. But when I did this look, I think I used just those 3. So that's all I did, is just used 3. What do I use? I used that color, this color. I didn't use that one in this look. And then I used that brown. That's all I did in the look today. Really easy to do. And by the way, when I did the review, I'm such a dork, but I did put this in the notes. It doesn't say the names of the shadows, but it comes with this little thing here. And when you place it on here, then it says the names of all of the shadows. And see how it says 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3? Yeah, because they're all kind of like, they're like different palettes, but you don't have to use it like that. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up, share my videos. Always, 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 always leave me a comment. I always love commenting back to you. Just say, hey, hi, how you doing? Let me know if you like this look. Let me know if you want me to show you any other eye tutorials. Just let me know how you're feeling. Let me know how you're doing today. How you doing today? You having a good day? Well, leave it in the comments and let me know. And if you're not already a subscriber, just click that button below. Hit the subscribe button. I share new videos every single week. Also, make sure you click that notification bell too, because anytime I share a new video, you will be notified. Follow me on Instagram. Like I said, all the details with this palette, everything I shared in the video will be below. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.